Few sights are as captivating as a hot air balloon ascending gracefully into the sky. These colorful giants, seemingly weightless and propelled by invisible forces, have captivated imaginations for centuries. The dream of flight, as old as humanity itself, found its first tangible expression in the wonder of hot air balloons. Imagine the awe-inspiring sight of a giant balloon, filled with nothing but heated air slowly lifting off the ground. This magical spectacle, now a common sight at festivals and tourist destinations, represents centuries of innovation and the relentless human pursuit of flight. It is a testament to the power of observation, experimentation, and the enduring belief in the impossible. The science behind hot air balloons is simple yet elegant. It relies on the basic principle that hot air, being less dense than cold air, rises. By heating the air inside the balloon's envelope, the balloon becomes buoyant, like a cork in water, and gently ascends. This simple principle, harnessed effectively, has allowed humans to experience the world from a completely new perspective. The history of hot air balloons is a fascinating journey of scientific discovery, daring adventures, and the evolution of technology. From the earliest experiments in 18th century France to the sophisticated modern balloons gracing our skies today, the story of hot air ballooning is interwoven with the spirit of exploration and the boundless possibilities of human ingenuity. The story of hot air balloons is forever linked with the Montgolfier brothers, Joseph Michel and Jacques Etienne, from Annonay, France. In 1783, these pioneers conducted the first successful demonstration of a hot air balloon. Their invention was not the result of complex scientific theories, but rather keen observation and experimentation. They noticed that smoke and hot air rising from a fire could lift light objects. This simple observation sparked a series of experiments that culminated in the creation of the first hot air balloon. Their initial balloons were simple contraptions, large paper bags open at the bottom with a fire suspended underneath. The heat from the fire filled the bag with hot air, causing it to rise. On June 4, 1783, they publicly demonstrated their invention, launching an unmanned hot air balloon that soared to an altitude of 6,000 feet. This groundbreaking achievement captivated the world and earned the Montgolfier brothers instant fame. Just a few months later, on September 19, 1783, they launched their first manned flight, carrying a sheep, a duck, and a rooster as passengers. This historic flight, witnessed by King Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette, marked the beginning of manned flight. The invention of the hot air balloon was more than just a spectacle. It opened up new possibilities for exploration, scientific observation, and even warfare. Early pioneers quickly recognized the potential of hot air balloons beyond mere entertainment. Scientists saw them as platforms for meteorological observations and studying the atmosphere. They used balloons to measure altitude, temperature, and wind speed, significantly advancing our understanding of the skies. Militaries, too, were quick to grasp the strategic advantages offered by hot air balloons. During the American Civil War and the Franco-Prussian War, hot air balloons were deployed for reconnaissance, artillery spotting, and even as platforms for aerial bombardment. The use of hot air balloons in warfare, though short-lived, marked an important chapter in military history. It highlighted the changing nature of warfare and the growing importance of air power. The aerial perspective provided by balloons gave a significant tactical advantage, foreshadowing the future dominance of air power in military conflicts.